so you sleep. You're on the work. You're working the chicken farm, and
What's that?
you're so fucked up. You just got up there and slept in the room.
I showed up for work. My boss says, get up there and clean that off. I started, laid down, went to sleep, and he checked on me at noon. Oh, I ain't quite done yet. No. Oh, okay, finish it.
Did he know you've been sleeping all day?
Yeah, fuck yeah. He hid me all day. He didn't want me wandering around.
Oh, so he's the one that told you to go up there to sleep?
Yep. I didn't say sleep. He just said get up there, do that, get out of sight of everybody is what he was doing. So I did. I crawled up there. Yeah.
So he knew. He just didn't say it out loud so everybody would know what he was really meaning.
Everybody knew. Except the bosses. Nobody said a thing.
Were you a party animal there?
What's describe? What do you call a party animal?
Did you get fucked up a lot when you worked there?
Oh fuck yeah!
You go to the bars and shit?
Huh?
You went to the bars and shit?
No, them days I didn't go to bars. I had more fun not going to bars.
Did you like going to bars at all?
I didn't really go to bars.